Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Whatever may be time. This is Darshan Khare reporting live from Pune with the cameraman Darshan Khare only. First of all, this video is going to be in only English. Only English. Sir, why this video is only going to be in English? Because this video is regarding my CA final law classes for South India. First time we are trying to reach to our South Indian friends who do not understand Hindi classes of CA final law, and because of that they cannot get a proper guidance. So many of my South Indian friends have requested on YouTube also, on WhatsApp also, and on many other social networking sites to me that sir, please do record your lectures of CA final law in English so that we can also get benefited. Of course, as a social responsibility, I feel so that I must record the lectures in South India for the South India in English language. And I have already done this with the PACE Academy already. But this time also we are going through a virtual centers of PACE Academy, as well as for CA final law we are selling the pen drives through vsmartacademy.com. From vsmartacademy.com you can purchase my pen drives. This recording I will be going to record these lectures in February, and these lectures will be available for shipments at the mid of March. So from the mid of March you can avail these lectures. Total length of the lectures I will tell to everyone that total length of the lectures is 45 lectures of 330 hours. That means 3 hours 30 minutes, and all these lectures will have colorful notes. Tentatively I will be giving 3-4 color module, full color modules of mine, one for economic law and 2 for company law. I will be giving you entire one questionnaire which is covering past 30 exams question and answers with their model answers, of course, drafted by me. And in addition to this, I am giving you my simple book for revision. Many of my South Indian students already know about my simple book. So if you do not have that simple book, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel given below in the link. In that channel I have already shared the PDF of simple book, and I am also going to share the MCQs for South Indian friends as well as my all over India North Indian friends who have given me a lot of love and affection. So I request all of the South Indian friends who wants my CA final law lectures in English through pen drive mode can pre-book the same 1 month before. That means if you are going to ship them from 15th of March tentatively or 20th of March, you can try to place an order from 15th to 20th of February. So you can book them in pre-booking, and you can also avail some small portion of discounts from vsmartacademy.com. This time I am also taking an initiative to teach all my friends from South India, but please do consider the same. You can also have my reviews from many of the social networking sites. You can ask any of my students who have got the classes from me, who have basically learn the law from me. You can also ask them for the reviews. They will tell them what exactly and how exactly I teach. I will try my best to satisfy all of your needs regarding CA final law, and I will give you better and quality teaching, as I say, for my all South Indian friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I again repeat, you will be provided with 3 colorful notes, one questionnaire for CA final company law as well as economic law, covering past 30 exams question, practice manual entire questions, and last 5 RTPs questions. At the same time, I also providing a revision notes for last minute's revision. Entire law is being condensed within 150 to 170 pages, so you can also refer them. And for that purpose, please subscribe to my Telegram channel given below, and please subscribe to this channel also, and please press the bell icon. I don't want to increase my subscriber, but what I want, whatever I publish on the YouTube, please avoid asking me the queries regarding the same on the WhatsApp. So for that purpose, you must know whatever I publish on the YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel. After being CA, you can also unsubscribe the same, but I request you to please subscribe my channel. This is for CA final law.